If Venmo is not working right now, okay, you're probably wondering what's going on and what you're going to have to do ahead. Oh, great. Let me help break down what's happening right here. If you're seeing issues with Venmo, it would usually come after a weak internet connection, an outdated app, or account-related problems. As of now, there is no widespread Venmo outage already, so this is more of an individual issue and not something everyone is dealing with. First, what you're going to want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure you have adequate Wi-Fi or cellular data. You can go ahead and switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that helps a bit. Check this first, because a poor connection can easily cause Venmo to fail. Next, you gotta look for app updates. If the Venmo app is outdated, it would probably glitch or refuse payments. Go ahead and update the app from the App Store or Play Store. Updates often bring in bug fixes and bright, smart improvements that help make up for issues. If the app still doesn't work, okay, you're gonna have to log out of Venmo, close the app completely, and log back in. This simple step can help fix minor glitches. If that doesn't work, you may have to uninstall and reinstall the app. Don't worry, this won't delete your account or money. Now, let's talk about payment methods. You would like to check your linked bank or card over here. Make sure it's active, not expired, and has enough balance. Sometimes banks block payments for security reasons, even if the amount is cheap. You may have to call on your bank and ask if they blocked the transaction. Another thing to keep in mind is account restrictions. If Venmo notices unusual activity or high-demand payments, your account might get limited. In that case, you gotta contact Venmo support to verify your identity and get things sorted out. Also, if you're using a VPN, this could be the problem. Venmo only works in the United States, and a VPN can mess with location checks. Go ahead and turn off the VPN and try again. Anyways, if none of this helps, you're gonna have to contact Venmo support directly. The best way is inside the app. Go to the Me tab, then Settings, then Get Help, and chat with support. You can also call Venmo support if required. That's the full breakdown. I hope this helps you make out what's going wrong and how to fix it. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask.